G'day YouTubers. Today we're having a look at the marina at Hervey Bay, Queensland. We'll have a flyover and we'll have a walk around. We'll show you the marina, the boat ramps, the Whale Bay tourist area. We'll have a quick look at the Urangan Pier and also a walk around the Hervey Bay Boat Club. Just beneath the arrow is the Hervey Bay Boat Club, and then on the right hand side of that is the Whale Bay tourist area, tourist information area just beneath the arrow, and the two big white buildings next to that is the Mantra Hotel under the arrow now. Looking across in the top right hand corner you can see the Urangan Pier, which we'll look at a little bit closer later on. On the left of the centre of the screen you'll see some of the Hervey Bay fishing fleet, and there we'll fly across and zoom into the boat ramp, and we'll have a closer look at this down on ground level. Looking across the top of the boat club you'll see the Harbour View Caravan Park, and the town of Hervey Bay in the background, and right over in the top right hand corner is the Urangan Pier. We'll just fly down towards the pier a little bit now and then turn around and head back towards the marina. We'll walk from one end of the pier to the other. You cover the distance of about 1 mile. Lovely beach area. We'll just spin around now and head back towards the marina. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, guys, that'd be fantastic. Underneath the arrow is Matthew Flinders Lookout and Dayman Park, and down on the beneath the arrow now is the entrance to the marina, and I think that area is also called Urangan Point. Not too sure about that. Nice little beach. Heading down there too. Not sure who this old fool is. Now we'll have a look at the boat ramp. The first boat ramp is for barges. It takes up to 50 tonnes. Didn't see it used while we were there, but just walk down towards the main boat ramps for the fishermen. Before we get there, there's a small docking jetty here. They're all floating pontoons. This is handy for fishermen. When they come in from fishing, one of the people get out of the boat and go and get the car and the trailer, while the other one goes over to the boat ramp and ties up on the jetties. So we'll get down there in a minute, but first I'll have a look at the car park. Not sure how many parks there is, but it'd have to be close to 100, and on a good day it's not half as enough. On a rough day it's pretty empty, but a couple of fine days people parked out in the street almost a kilometre away. Here's the first of the double boat ramps. They're 2 lanes, so you've got 2 lanes here on this side, and on the other side of the floating pontoon you've got another 2 lanes. So there's basically access for 4 boats at a time, and the other side of this lawn area here is exactly the same boat ramp repeated. It's 2 lanes, 2 lots of 2 lanes, and there's also a nice seat there if you can sit there and dream about which boat you'd like to own. It's a nice way to fill in a pleasant afternoon. Leaving the car park, we'll head across the Tourist Information Centre. It's also known as Whale Bay Marina, and this is where you can book tours and for the whale watching and Fraser Gary. Just through this alleyway here. We'll come out and have a look at the marina on the other side. That's the spirit of Hervey Bay. I think this part's called Whale Bay Marina. Follow this path around here and just walk underneath the Mantra Hotel and follow this path around. Go through a restaurant, which I can't show you because there's people inside there. And we come out the other side. There's a number of units looking over the marina. This part of the marina is called the Great Sandy Strait Marina, and a few of the tour operators set up in this area. Just walking past the Harbour View Caravan Park, which is a very basic park, by the way, operated by the boat club, I believe. And we'll go over and through the doors of the Hervey Bay Boat Club and have a look around. Been here since the 1960s, I believe, in some form or fashion. It's a great club, very reasonably priced drinks and great meals, and they've got a variety of seating areas and a couple of different restaurants. And here's one of the seating areas overlooking the marina. You can sit out here and enjoy the view. Sorry about the shaky video. And just venturing outside now to have a look at one of the outdoor dining areas. There's a lot more, but there was other people down the other end. I couldn't video the people. So anyway, there's some people enjoying their breakfast. And if you've got this far, YouTubers, thank you very much for watching. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing and smashing that like button, that would help us out a great deal. And until next time, may God bless you.